Problem set 12. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? So here what laptop price is 27,450. So I am writing here laptop of price of the laptop, that is 27,450. And what the Prathamesh has? Prathamesh has how much rupees? That is 22,975. So I am subtracting that. So that is 10 minus 5 is 5. That we cannot again subtract 7 from 4. So it will get converted to 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Again we have to convert 9 from 3. It is not possible to convert 9 from 3. So I am getting borrow. It will convert it 13 minus 9. That comes out to be 4. Then we have to subtract 2 from 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this much money he still needs. So Prathamesh needs so and this is so Prathamesh needs this much rupees to buy a laptop. Then second example, company produce 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next year. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? So company produce how much? That is 44,730 scooters in certain year. Okay, so I am writing that is the larger amount. That quantity is 44,730 scooters. Okay, in certain year that company produce and 43,150 in the next year. That means company produce in previous year. Okay, and 43,150 in the next year. 43,150 in the next year. So we have to subtract this amount and we have to see that what is the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. That's why we have to borrow and we have to subtract this 5 from 3. It comes out to be 8. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is the amount that these are the more scooters they produce in previous year. That in the this is the amount, that the quantity of more scooters that company produced. in previous year. Then we have to see the third example of problem set 12. In certain city, the number of men 16 lakh 37,856 and number of women is 16 lakh 52,978. We have to calculate by how many does the number of women exceeds the number of men. That means the we have to calculate by how many does the number of women exceeds the number of men. Certain city number of men quantity is what? 16 lakh 37,000, while woman quantity is 16 lakh 52,000. So which quantity is greater? This 16 lakh 52,978, that is the woman. And what is the quantity of the men? 16 lakh 37,856. So we have to make over here a subtraction. While doing subtractions, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, sorry, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. We cannot subtract 7 from 12, that's why we have to take one borrow. So here that 12 minus 7 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So that much quantity, that is 15,122. So 15,122 is the number of women that exceeds the men. Woman exceeds the men. An organization decided to collect how much? 25 lakhs rupees for certain project, but they actually collected 26 lakhs 57,340 through donations and other kind of aid. By how much did they exceed their target? Actually target was 25 lakh and they have collected how much? 26 lakh 57,340 through donations or aid. So that amount exceeds, but what is the larger amount? 26 lakh 57,340. These rupees are collected through donation and aid. This is the donation and aid, that is the rupees collected. And what was their target? Target was 25 lakh. This was the target actually. So we have to see that how much amount they exceeds than their target. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4, 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 0 is 7, 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this much rupees they have collected, that is whatever the target was there, that 1,57,340. So they have collected how much did they exceed their target? So they exceed their target, they exceed the target by rupees how much? By 1,57,340 rupees they have collected more. Then last example from this problem set 12. This is the problem set 12. Fifth example, use the numbers 23,849 and 27,056 to make the subtraction. Solve the problem. You take any example of that. There is no need that suppose 27,056. So this is what is very simple example. So I am writing here 27,056. I am subtracting this with 23,849. What will be the subtraction? We cannot subtract 9 from 6. That's why we have to take a borrow one. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we have to take again one borrow. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So that is the result of subtraction. 3207 is your answer. Thank you. If you like our channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.